Hi guys, I'm back. If you want to learn what about from stories, please hit the like and subscribe. Now, I'll tell you the story of an old man walking from the road. Once upon a time, a man walking from the road, he see a lady standing nearby. She said, "Hey, why are you alone?" The girl said, "I'm hello. How are you? Why are you here?" "I'm okay." Grandpa's the old man said, "Okay, we're going to but be careful. If you goes there, that's very dangerous." "Oh, okay." I'll, and the lady listened to the old man. Old man walked from her home and see a sign of help in their house. And, and she don't care. She ignore it and threw it. And she go inside. She see her her bedroom has full of blood. The blood is coming from stairs. And she see the stairs. His wife was killed by a mysterious man. The man didn't see eternity and run. She was black, but no knife to lead. She just hungry like a bear or anything that animals. The grandpa called the police, but said the police, "Oh, you're just imagination. It's not real. Just sleep now, old man. That's not real." And the old man didn't believe himself. "That's real. I saw with my own eyes. Oh, I can't believe that. I can't believe it. I can't." The old man screamed in pain. One day, she had a heart attack for her dreaming. She thinks she will die, but someone saved him. That girl in the night. She saved him. That girl who killed the mother because she almost gave him heart attack. So that's the story of that. So listen this. Please hit the like and subscribe now. If you want more stories with my Rising Gaming. So bye, hit the like and subscribe, comment your name and Roblox.